G'day, Josh Giumelli here from Farming Ahead. In June's workshop article, we're talking about angle grinder accessories like this surface conditioning wheel. Pretty good for cleaning rust and paint off a surface, but there are a few other options as well. You could go with one of these wire brush products like this twisted knot cut brush or this flat sort of bevel brush. They work pretty well, pretty aggressive. Or you could go with a flexible grinding disc or a flat disc. Both work quite well. Or you could get serious, go the whole hog with this tube polisher.